Na 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 na. Namia, you can't catch me.
Oh. What is this?
I don't know. Let's ask Mama and Daddy.
Mama, Daddy, see what we found.
Ah, these cards are for playing the memory card game. I remember Grandma, Mama and I used to play it.
What is the memory card game?
It's a game that involves matching two cards that have the same picture.
Oh.
The first player turns over two cards. If the pictures match, the player keeps the cards and tries again for another match.
Ooh.
If they do not match, the cards are turned over again and another player takes a turn.
Each player must try to remember where they have seen the picture so they can use them to make a match.
Can you show us how to play the game?
Of course.
Oh no, some of the cards are missing.
What do we do now?
We can make the missing cards ourselves. Cut pieces of paper and make drawings of pictures of the cards we already have.
Now that we are done drawing, let's play.
Yay!
Namia picked a picture of a giraffe. Now, let's see if she can find another picture of the giraffe.
Namia picked a picture of a ball and not the other picture of a giraffe.
Sorry, Namia. Since you didn't get the matching pair for the giraffe, we have to flip both cards over.
Oh.
But first, we need to take note that Namia found a picture of a giraffe and a ball. Then remember where each of those pictures can be found.
Because next time, if anyone picks the other picture of a giraffe or a ball, we will need to remember where the matching pair is.
My turn, my turn.
I remember this is just like the zebra from the book about Rwanda.
Now, I need to find another picture of a zebra. I didn't get a matching pair.
Nuzo, I know you're disappointed, but you can do it. You and Namia haven't gotten a matching pair yet, which can be frustrating. But let's think about what we learned. We know where the giraffe, ball, zebra, and the car are. If we can remember which picture each of us flips over and where you saw them, this can help us find our matching pairs. We just learned where two new pictures are.
My turn. It's a car? I remember Nuzo picked up the same picture. But where? I don't know what is on the other side of this card. But I remember this picture is a giraffe because Nuzo picked it first. Then I remember this is where Nuzo picked the car. I got both cards with a car.
Great job remembering, Namia.
Did you like this video and want to watch more? Subscribe to get exclusive access to premium content and more. Only in the Ubongo Playroom. Free for download today. The only place you can watch, sing, read, play, and learn with all your favorite Ubongo characters.
What are you waiting for?
Available in English, Kiswahili, French, Hausa, and more.